Hey everyone, this is Sahil from Life of a Gamer. Today I am doing a camera comparison between Honor 8X and Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite. So you can see the Honor 8X have dual rear camera of 20 megapixel plus 2 megapixel and Mi 8 Lite have 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel. About the front camera, Honor 8X have 16 megapixel camera and Mi 8 Lite have 24 megapixel camera. Both cameras are really good. You can see a lot of pictures in this video. I'm making two parts of the camera comparison. In this part, you can see the pictures of front camera and rear camera. In the second part, you will see the video and the slow motion, and the last one is the portrait mode. So you can see and feel the difference. For my opinion, I like both phones actually, but in some pictures, you can see Honor 8X is much better than Mi 8 Lite. The colors are more radiant, more contrast, you can say. And in the front camera of Mi 8 Lite, it makes your face more white, more glow. But Honor 8X, you can say it is natural color. You can see the difference easily in the pictures. I upload both pictures one by one and in the collage also, so you can feel the difference. And one thing, there is a giveaway of Mi 8 Lite on 20th of October. If you didn't know this, you can watch my Mi 8 Lite unboxing. You can find the conditions, what you have to do, and you have to follow my Instagram. It's really important because after the result, I only contact on Instagram. If you don't follow my Instagram, you will be disqualified directly. So there will be no other option. So please watch. If you want to participate in the giveaway, you can watch that video. I will give it the link and you can see on the upper side. So let's begin our video and see which one is good, and you can share me your opinion, which one you like is much better, because everyone have different opinion, everyone have different liking. So maybe you like something and I like something, so I want to know. So hope you like this video, and if you are new to my channel, please give me a like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So here we go.
Throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Oh yeah, twerking like Miley.
So the left one is Honor 8X and right one is Mi 8 Lite. You can see the color, like Mi 8 Lite is more white. It makes your face more white, you can say. So I think Honor 8X is more natural, like the fake one. And this picture you can see the wall. In Honor 8X is more yellow. And you can see this picture also. So I uploaded a lot of pictures because I clicked so many pictures, so I upload every picture so you can have a deep review about them, and you can make your opinion if you are going to buy a new phone between Honor 8X or Mi 8 Lite. Many people ask me for Realme 2 Pro to make a video, but in China it is not launched, so I can't buy that phone. So I'm really sorry, I can't do that comparison or the unboxing. I can only buy the phone which are launched in China. So in this picture you can see the yellow color is very different in both phones. Honor 8X color is more contrast, you can say, you can see. So many ways I found Honor 8X colors are more variant, more contrast, more good than Mi 8 Lite. When I click this picture, I use one more phone with Mi A2. So next video, after the second part, I will upload Mi 8 Lite and Mi A2 comparison, because the both phones have near about the same price range. So you can, if you are just thinking to buy a camera phone, so you can compare about that. So you can see the pictures and write your comment which one you prefer, Honor 8X or Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite. I'm waiting for your comments. So hope you enjoyed this video, and please give me a like if you really like this video.